आपने एल्डेगो का नाम तो सुना ही होगा. With 40 years of legacy, 200 plus projects and 30,000 families जिन्होंने अपने घर का नाम एल्डेगो दिया. And with that, they are coming in NCR's fastest growing location, 22D Yamuna Expressway. And they are coming up with this new masterpiece project, Ballads of Bliss. Sector 22D Yamuna Expressway is not just a location, it's an urban development. From Film City to EV hubs and data parks, and the upcoming Noida International Airport in Jewar. Everything the government is building for tomorrow is happening right here. Let's talk distances. 30 minutes from Noida Film City, 10 minutes from JP Hospital and Pari Chowk, 15 minutes from Jewar Airport, 20 minutes from Gautam Budh University, and just 7 to 10 minutes from leading institutes like Galgotias and Noida International University. And Ballads of Bliss stands right in the center of it. It's a two-side open corner plot having a 120 front wide road and 24-meter side road. And the location around this project also has another land occupied by Eldego, GH1B/2. So there will be two projects of Eldego here. This is the proposed layout for Sector 22A and D, having tons of big builder projects and future infrastructure. Well, Eldego is a podium-based project with 80% open area, with 5 acres of land and just 3 towers, having 550 plus units and a height of G plus 32 floors. The project offers thoughtfully designed layouts that match modern family needs. You can choose from these layouts. The first one is 2 BHK plus 1 washroom with the size of 1230 square feet. 3 BHK plus 2 washrooms in a size 1550 square feet. 3 BHK plus 3 washrooms in the size 1850 square feet. And then comes the duplex penthouses in 3 BHK plus study variant and 4 BHK variants ranging from 2500 to 2800 square feet. Well, each tower has 6 units and 5 lifts. Imagine there is going to be no waiting for the residents, and with that you are going to get absolutely maximum privacy, natural sunlight and a lot of ventilation in your homes. And these homes are designed by AR CPO, a globally renowned architect firm from Montreal, Canada, and landscaped by Roha, a Delhi-based nature-integrated design studio. Talking about the apartment details, so you will be getting VRF centralized AC in all units. All bedrooms have private balconies, perfect for light, air and relaxation. Lavish utility balconies and spacious kitchens in all homes. Grand water feature and luxury arrival experience at the entrance. Well, Ballads of Bliss offers you a vibrant lifestyle, yet peaceful lifestyle. And with that, it offers you a clubhouse with 20 plus indoor and outdoor amenities, starting from swimming pool, kids pool, gym, squash court, pool table room, reading room, double height multi-purpose hall, box cricket, mini football court, kids play area, gardens, palm tree avenues, power backup, 24/7 security, CCTV and convenience retail. In short, every lifestyle need and of every age group has been planned very successfully. Well, now the point is, why should you invest here? Now let me tell you the future-proof growth. This is not just about homes. This is about investing in a location that will be an early investment of a future-ready zone. Jewar Airport is all set to be Asia's largest airport, and already major names like Patanjali, LG, Haldiram and Body Care are setting up manufacturing and R&D units here. Over 4.5 lakh new jobs are expected in this corridor, with metro connectivity, data centers and 9.9 crore YEDA budget to back the growth. And that is why investors, NRIs and even end users are flocking to Yamuna Expressway. And with this brilliant project of Eldigo, with their trust and build quality, Eldigo is a brilliant option for you to invest in this prime location and this prime project. यहाँ पे रेरा आ चुका है and this is a very prime location. So do not waste your time. Book a site visit and contact Housage Consulting for more details. You can call 875000 or you can WhatsApp us on the same number. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This was your host and dost Khushi with camera person Bhavna signing off.